Hi everyone, this is Sandra Saenz, Veritas artist for KVD Beauty, and I'm very thankful to be partnering with Sephora today to talk to you about two-star products, Good Apple Concealer with Good Apple Foundation. And who's ready? Please skim prep, always before your foundation. Very important.
Did the people in the back hear me? Good skin prep.
All right, all set. Cleanse, toned, moisturize. And so now, Good Apple Foundation. This is shade Light 012. I'm gonna grab a little bit. It's like skin. Feels queen. Nice and smooth.
Oh my God, the coverage.
A little bit goes a long way.
Look at how quickly it covers discoloration. It's insane. Now, it's flashback free, which is amazing for makeup artists. Non-cakey, and it lasts all day. Buildable full coverage, baby.
Ready to talk about concealer? This is our star product.
Good Apple Concealer.
Shade 114, and we have shade 111. Let me demo both of these to you guys real quick. The way that it's designed, it mimics like it's your finger. So you really can get in those areas that you need. So I can apply a little bit right there. A little bit goes a long way, honestly. And grabbing a blending brush, I'm really gonna get in there. In tapping motions.
If you want to cancel purple or blue, pick a shade with a yellow or golden undertone to balance.
I will grab whatever is left on the brush and just try to lightly cover the dark circle up there.
I had already applied Good Apple Foundation under my eye area. Therefore, I'm using this shade to highlight. If you're wanting to highlight, choose a shade 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone.
For those that have a little bit of a darker circle, like myself, again, 114, which is my shade.
Shades with a peach or copper undertone will brighten discoloration. So this is the winner for me. And shade 114 is my pick.
See how much it canceled? Unbelievable.
I really wanted to demo both shades closer to what I would normally pick so that you guys have a better idea when picking for yourself.
So we have Good Apple Foundation on this side, Light 012, and then underneath the eye, we have Light 111. All right, on this side, we have nothing on the skin except just skin prep. And then we have our concealer 114 in the shade Light. So if you're not much of a, I wanna wear makeup, I just wanna wear a little bit, you can definitely do the concealer by itself. But if you pair it with Good Apple Foundation, just flawless, try it, check it out. You can definitely buy this at Sephora and let me know how it goes.
Translucent, like a powder to set your foundation. Here's a little tip. If after you have done your makeup, you feel like you pulled the eyeshadow a little bit lower than you wanted to, apply a little bit of this concealer and clean it up, baby. Because the formula is very lightweight and creamy, it's gonna appear as if you did no mistake whatsoever. Because this formula is ultra concentrated with interlaced pigments that evenly spread over skin for crease-resistant coverage and a brighter look, blemishes and dark circles do not even stand a chance, my friends. Dip and dab and create a smooth-like finish on any skin type.
What'd you guys think? How do you think this concealer and foundation looks? Please let us know in the comments. Go ahead and thumbs up if you like this video. And thank you so much. All these products that I have on my face are available at Sephora, all KVD products. And thank you for watching. Much love to you guys.
And don't forget,
please skim prep, always before your foundation.
Okay, bye.